How to stop Windows 11 update permanently. So the first thing that we are going to do is open the services. We're going to go ahead and run this one as an administrator. And then from here, what we are going to do is look for the Windows update here. You can go ahead and double click this one. And then instead of the automatic startup type here, you can go ahead and click the disable here. Now hit apply and then hit OK. Now if we are going to go back there, Windows update, you should be able to see that now we have disabled this one. And then the next thing that we are going to do is look for the Ethernet settings right here, and then you should be able to see here metered connection. Go ahead and toggle this on. So the purpose is this one is to reduce the data usage when we are connected to our internet. So I'm going to go ahead and close this one as well, and then we're going to go ahead and look for run. So I'm going to type here gpedit.msc, so this one right here. Now we're going to go ahead and use this one. So take a look at what we are going to do and observe here. So the first thing that we are going to do is expand the administrative template, and we're going to look for the Windows components. And then if we are going to go ahead and scroll down from here, we should be able to see here the Windows update. Now that we are seeing it, I'm just going to open the standard version here. After choosing the standard, I want you to go ahead and open manage end user experience, and we have the configure automatic updates here. And then from here, I'm going to right click this one and click the edit button. And here we're just going to go ahead and enable this one. But instead of the auto download here, we're going to go ahead and choose the first one, notify for download and auto install. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and close this one and try to restart your PC, and this should fix your problem. And yep, that is how you are going to stop Windows 11 from updating.